In my garden project, I've got a 20-foot piece of PVC pipe which has some spider webs and some particulate dirt and stuff like that that I do not want going into my drip irrigation system. So the question is, how do I get this cleaned out? If you've worked in the oil field or in a pipeline industry, you know what a pig is. A pig is a device which is pushed through, which may be something like a scraper that a person would use in a kitchen to remove batter from a pan into the cooking pot to throw in the oven or something like that. But essentially, a pig runs through the line and it either cleans it or it does something else. They have different types of pigs. They have pigs that check for thickness of the metal, pigs that check for all kinds of stuff. So what I did was I took a paper towel like this and I basically tore it in half. And then I make a packing like so. Now remember, this piece of pipe that I'm going to be cleaning out is over 20 feet long. And I don't have a whole bunch of pieces of material 20 feet long that I can use to shove through this thing, as you see with this short piece where I push it through, if I can push it through. You twist this as you go in, and it'll make a packing. As I say, I don't have anything 20 feet long to push this through with. So, since I don't have anything 20 feet long to run the pig through, I've stuffed it in there, and you can see the dirt on the paper towel where it's been gone through, and now the inside of my tube is clean. So what I'll do is I'll make a pig inside that 20-foot section, and I'll get it really packed inside there real good, and then I'll just turn the water on and let the water pressure push the pig through the PVC. It'll clean all the dirt out, and then my drip emitters will stay clean. And I want to show you one other thing I'm doing to protect my drip emitters. This is a screen filter which is designed to fit inside faucets and things like that. These are all along the drip irrigation system, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this into the next piece that I'm doing. This is a 1/2-inch fitting here. This is a 3/4 inch and a 3/4 inch. I pull this rubber gasket out of this and I replace it with this little filter that I just showed you a moment ago. Place it inside, force it in good, and now I just screw this back together. Make sure it's cinched down hand tight. And what I'll be doing is I will be putting a riser on this and connecting a multi-head to the top of this, and then I can have a number of lines that go out for my potatoes, for my squash, for my cantaloupe, pumpkins, and anything else that I need down there at that location. And I've got that just like so. It's got two. This is a 6-head unit, and I can also put a T-section on the way up to this point right here and have another one of these come off and supply water elsewhere. It all depends on what you need. The beauty of this is that it comes with these on-off valves, so you can control what's getting water and what isn't. One thing to be aware of is that these ball valves do significantly reduce the flow of water. I found that out the other day, and at some point I will post a video and I'll show you the difference on these things.